Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you for viewing my presentation. I am Dwi Anggreni. I am a student of Magister Management University of Indonesia. Today I am going to share you the research that I've done. It is titled What Influence Indonesian Millennials Towards Environmental Friendly Consumer Behavior. So let's see the presentation. So just to give you a background that green products are getting more popular and the companies are competing in producing goods or service that are environmental friendly to accommodate the needs of this consumer. Some past study done indicate that environmental concern has a significant impact on consumption behavior, and providing a green product can be a competitive advantage for companies, including companies in Indonesia such as Coca-Cola, Unilever, Aqua, or Nestle. The question that come up in the company's mind is what factor influence environmental conscious consumer behavior in Indonesia? Is it environmental knowledge, the knowledge about environment and its problem, or is it environmental concern, the level of concern a person has towards environmental problem, or the perceived consumer effectiveness, which is the belief that the consumer has that they as an individual can contribute to the environmental preservation, or religiosity. Indonesia is known as religious country, thus religiosity has impact towards the consumer behavior. Here is the proposed research model. There are 7 hypotheses were tested in this study. Every hypothesis here stating a direct influence towards the environmental consumer behavior, and also checking the indirect influence to this behavior as well. This study was done using quantitative technique where primary data was analyzed, and the sampling is done using purposive sampling, utilizing online tools like Google Form to collect the data and social media to spread the survey. This study targeting millennial, which are those who age 20 to 39 years old, and we have collected 269 respondents in this study. The data were analyzed using LISREL 8.8. The result shows that environmental knowledge does not influence environmental conscious consumer behavior, as seen in hypothesis 1. There is a general consensus that millennials, as a generation with most knowledge about environment, does not implement the knowledge in their daily life. Hypothesis 2 show that if a person has a belief that they as an individual can contribute to environmental preservation, it actually reflects in their consumer behavior. And hypothesis 3 shows that a level of concern of a person has will reflect in their consumption behavior as well. Hypothesis 5 and 6 show that although environmental knowledge does not influence directly to environmental conscious consumer behavior, but it has a role in building concern and also perceived consumer effectiveness, which is a base of a behavior that are environmental conscious. Hypothesis 4 showed that no matter how religious a person, they will not become more pro-environment consumer. And hypothesis 7 shows that even religious teaching about caring to our surrounding, it does not influence people to actually have a concern towards environment. So the conclusion of this research are only environmental concern and perceived consumer effectiveness affect environmentally conscious consumer behavior. Environmental knowledge make Indonesian millennials more concerned about environment, and also make them have a belief that they can help in preserve the environmental. Religiosity does not have does not affect at all environmental consumer behavior. So what the company should do, those companies who do this green marketing, they need to increase consumer knowledge related to the environment. And then they also need to build awareness that irresponsible human behavior can cause environmental damage. They also need to build the belief that an individual can contribute to environmental preservation through their consumption behavior. And the company does not need to associate their initiative with the religion. Thank you very much.